Hi, and welcome to Kboovo, and thank you for stopping by. Now, if you can give me just a few minutes of your time, I'm going to show you how easily you can make money online using the most user-friendly suite of essential marketing tools on the planet. Think of Kboovo as being like your favorite all-inclusive vacation spot, where you get everything you need and then some, and it's conveniently there for you in one place. Not only does Kboovo provide you with a first-of-its-kind training system, but you also get every essential marketing tool you need all in one complete package. Now, before showing you everything Kboovo does, I want to make one thing perfectly clear. Kboovo isn't a magic button, although, as you're about to see, it does have buttons that do sort of magical things. The truth is, making money online isn't magic at all. There's no secret formula or code to be cracked. But having to figure it all out on your own can take countless, tiring hours of research and frustration just to grasp the basics. Unfortunately, knowing just the basics isn't enough. And on top of that, you can add in all the technical stuff you would normally have to learn. Things like setting up hosting, installing WordPress, configuring plugins, registering domains, configuring name servers, and the list goes on and on. Not to mention that you'll also have to buy a number of essential software tools and plugins. Marketing tools are a must, but having to deal with multiple vendors is not only a major headache, but can also be quite costly, especially when the software ends up being limited, unsupported, outdated, or even worse, it doesn't work at all. But with Kboovo, you don't ever have to worry about any of these things. You get every crucial software tool and plugin that you need right there at your fingertips, with nothing to install and nothing to update ever. And there's no technical stuff for you to learn because Kboovo practically eliminates it all with just a few clicks. Even if you're a total beginner, you'll have your first website live and ready to make you money in no time at all, offering top-selling products from today's most recognized online retailers. And once you see just how simple Kboovo is to use, you'll want to create even more money-making websites to boost your income, just like today's most successful affiliate marketers do. Now, let's take a quick look at what you get with Kboovo. If you're already an experienced marketer, you can just grab the Quick Start Guide for complete instructions on all of the Kboovo's tools, time-saving automation, and management features. Now, if you're totally new, then it all starts with Kboovo's affiliate marketing training. You'll discover the exact same methods using the same software that top affiliate marketers are using to generate thousands in monthly commissions. At the start of your training, you'll be shown how to create your first money-making project and how you can keep track of all of the progress you're made using Kboovo's Project Manager. Using Kboovo's built-in research tools and in-depth keyword training, you'll discover how to find profitable niches with high-converting keywords that are ready for you to totally dominate. You'll also be shown how to choose only the best domains for your money-making websites and how Kboovo's Domain Manager can register, set up, and manage it all for you with just a few simple clicks. You no longer need to be tech-savvy in any way to do any of this. Kboovo even makes it super easy for you to find and offer top-selling, profitable products from the biggest online retailers and affiliate networks. Places like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, AliExpress, Bonanza, ClickBank, JVZoo, and more. You can select a single product or offer hundreds of popular products from multiple retailers. And with just a click of a button, Kboovo will post them all to your website. And of course, no money site is complete without having great content that keeps your visitors interested, makes the search engines happy, and gets you making sales. But creating site content and 1,000-word articles takes a lot of effort, especially if you don't like to write. That's why Kboovo gives you a few different options to generate amazing content that will grab visitor attention and entice them to buy your promoted products. And you don't even have to worry about spending any money on hosting until you see results. That's because Kboovo will host your first money site for you at absolutely zero cost. However, if you would rather use your own servers, Kboovo's server management makes this a total breeze to do. Once added, any site you create will be hosted on your own server and can be managed within Kboovo. Manage multiple servers, create site emails, subdomains, and more. Now, once you start earning commissions and seeing your efforts paying off, Kboovo can help you up your game and your income too. Using the website manager, you'll be shown how easy it is to create and manage multiple websites that earn commissions from many sources all at the same time. And to keep your income growing and to help you quickly build a strong portfolio of profitable money sites, Kboovo provides you with ongoing training on practically every aspect of making money online, including SEO, traffic and lead generation, marketing strategies, social media, and more. All the training, all the software, all of the time-saving automation and management tools you need to start, build, or grow an online income is included in this one complete package. So, join Kboovo now and get started with your first money-making project right away. Or you can keep reading down below to get the complete details on all of Kboovo's amazing features before you join.